my channel. I am Bonnie and this is Bon Voyage, Let's Adventure. Today we are in Maui and visiting the Haleakala Crater. And that's about an hour and a half from here, and then we're going to go to an Maui Ocean Center Aquarium. So this is a tour that you can take if you're here on a cruise ship. I'm on the Grand Princess right here and to go explore, so let's get started. I'm at 9,740 or 50 feet elevation. It's incredible up here. It looks like the moon. And if you can see over there, that's where all the observatory, all the NASA investigate everything through that. These seismic things happening over there is super famous. I remember seeing a video on that once before. I'm going to be in this Haleakala. This is pronounced Haleakala. I think I pronounced it wrong. Crater area, and it's a national park, so we're going all around and interested in knowing what there is to do in Maui. This is a really cool adventure. It's an hour and a half from the ship, going straight up by bus. So let's get started.
Driving for this morning. Take about an hour and a half to get up to the top of the crater from here. I'll stop. That is Haleakala in front of us. All the haze, combination of there's coffee, citrus like lemons, oranges, tropical fruits like ulu, the breadfruit, on both sides of the highway going all the way through to the other side. And we do not have winter, spring, summer, fall. We have the wet season and the hot season, very prone to grass fires all the way through the middle of the island here. Eucalyptus originally from Australia. The pine here, we have more than 80 different species from all around the world. Yeah, I'll tell you all about volcanoes and wild. The big island just next door is the youngest of the islands that we can see. The landscape's starting to get more and more lunar-like. Yes. There are people who believe that this is where they filmed the lunar landings. That is not the case. But two of those astronauts were invited to visit a school over on the Big Island, and they accepted. While they were here in the state, they did come to Haleakala. Just have a look. There was no secret mission or anything like that. In the 1930s, like just prior to World War II, the military leveled that off and put communication antennas up there. Defense asset. Exceptionally clear up here this morning. That is not always the case.
The Haleakala Visitor Center, they have a limit on how many people can walk in, so you have to kind of wait to get in, but the bus brings you up here. Again, it's just gorgeous. So this is the House of the Sun. Beautiful place here. You gotta see it to believe it. Just be kind of touring around, just see all the volcanic rock. It's really amazing. And then the fauna that's growing with it is awesome. So there's fossils up here. This is super old lava rock. Crater. Oh my gosh. Amazing. That's just amazing. Pretty incredible. This is a shield volcano that is a crater inactive since 1790. But you can see behind me, oh how beautiful. It is just massive. And we have found a sunny day here today. Normally it's about 55 degrees, so they say it's about 30 degrees cooler than it is down at the beach area. So we've hit a nice sunny day. You can see the clouds ahead of me, so we're above the cloud line. Really beautiful. Oh,
that's expanded.
Beautiful.
Unreal.
Oh my goodness.
I'm sorry, I put that in
yeah, amazing.
It's only about that size.
Did you take that picture?
I did.
Holy moly.
Well, somebody who has no idea what he's doing on a $30 cell phone.
Yeah, this is pronounced Haleakala. I think I pronounced it wrong. Yeah, the goddess Pele, fire goddess, says, do not take any rock, you will have bad luck. It's illegal anyway. Now we're at the Maui Ocean Center. It's like an aquarium. It's small. There's tidal pools to pet some starfish. There's little exhibits to look at, and then there's an open ocean tunnel that you can walk through, and you can see a lot of the sharks, leopard sharks. I wouldn't say it's a huge place. A good thing to do if you have maybe an hour to 2 hours. You can get through this pretty quickly. They have a lot of virtual exhibits, a lot of factual information about animals. Like for example, they have a big whale exhibit that's new, and there's an ongoing presentation. It's a nice place. It's a good place. I think it'd be a great place for kids. So this is our menu for our lunch. Starting out with some food at this Seascape restaurant, which is their restaurant here, and it is a beautiful view of the water. Yeah. Thank you. Probably about 80 degrees with nice balmy winds. It's kind of some kind of a Portuguese dough. I'm not really sure. It looks delicious. sharks all through this exhibit. And they're in a gigantic aquarium. They're all just floating around. There's huge fish in here. There's a shark. Oh man, here's a big one. Look at the stingray. Oh gosh. These are big fish. Oh my gosh. Huge. Oh gosh. You walk through and you see all the fish that are coming from where I just was showing you over here. They come all the way up and then they go out of the ocean. Today has been full of just beauty. It's incredibly beautiful up on that crater. I would highly recommend it. I mean, this tour was a little expensive by my standards. I don't know what would cost you on your cruise, so I don't even want to discuss it, but if you are going to the Haleakala Crater, that is worth it. The aquarium, it was nice. We had lunch. I mean, it's very small. It doesn't have that many fish. I wouldn't say it's that much of a draw, so probably if you just do the crater, it would be good enough. I mean, I liked it. It has a good gift shop, but overall, I think that the crater itself is definitely worth a look. If you haven't explored around before, today we're not in Lahaina like they normally pull in because apparently that's under construction. We're in some other area, but it's way more industrial. So for that reason, as far as things to do around here, they say we were just told you can walk straight out of the pier and go left, I believe it was, and there is like a Wendy's and an ale beer place, and then there's like a shopping center with a Longs and that type of thing to get, or a supermarket there to get your chocolate and your gifts if you didn't find any. So just a tip there. Thanks for watching, and check out my other videos on this ship. I have some food videos, embarkation, and activities. Forward to those, and also I have other videos on celebrity, Royal Caribbean, and the like. So make sure if you're interested in cruise destinations, cruise excursions, or travel related tips that you hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you won't miss anything. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time.